Welcome to Precision Group, a couple of refugees from Ukraine who started in a garage in 1984 and have now grown to this 22,000 square foot building in San Antonio, Texas, and 3 other locations throughout the US and Mexico. This is Precision Group, and I'm so excited to share this story with you.
Hi, my name is Maya Roiberg. I'm a CEO of Precision Group. And let me share my story with you, story of our company. We started this business in 1985 in a garage from all the places. And we've built it to 4 locations, 2 in Texas and 2 in Mexico. And we're very proud of our operation, of our family, business, relations with our employees. And it's been a wonderful journey. Well, our journey started 7 years prior to when we started business. We came from Ukraine as a refugee with a small child, 5-year-old at that time, and $200 in our pocket. But we always dreamed to come to America to have American dream. And our dream started by working very hard, trying to figure out how to make this new life exciting, learning language, learning opportunities, learning everything from scratch. And then 1985, we decided to incorporate to our operation. My husband is Naum Roiberg, very professional in his field, and we thought that we can capture his knowledge to create our own business. And it was a difficult decision. We had no money. Our language was very limited at that time, but we knew it that with our hard work and perseverance, we can succeed. And we did. Our company started from small concept. We wanted to create, build, design plastic injection molds for our customers. That's how our San Antonio operation started in a garage, and we built it from there. But then the concept grew. We knew that we need to expand our capabilities to the South Texas border because of the maquilas. And we found our way to build a facility down in Feria, Texas, back in 1995. And for a couple of years operating U.S. operations, we knew that our capability needed to be expanded to Mexico because of our clients. We were serving maquila, and our clients were on both sides of the border. We started working with Fortune 500 companies like General Motors, many others. So we decided to go to Reynosa in 1995. So we started our operation there. And several years later, we put a facility in Monterrey. So it's been progression. It's been a learning curve. Every step of the way, we have to learn the new way to do the business, how to bring new technology, how to train people, and working with international company, how to do business in another country. So this is our little journey, just a few sentences. So every mold that we build, every product that we design has uniqueness. We are serving our customers with our intelligent approach to getting the best product ever. We start from the concept, and then comes to development stage of the design, and then it goes to engineering, which we have very sophisticated engineering. We analyze every part, every detail, every dimension very detailedly. We design the mold, and engineering and our shop production floor working very closely together, and then the mold gets to be built. Our uniqueness also in capability we have of a turnkey operation. Not only that we can build, not only that we can design, not only that we can produce, we can put product from concept to the finish line and to be shipped out of the door. And that's very convenient for many customers. They trusting us and our ability to do tooling, engineering, molding, and secondary operation, assembly at one facility. And now, of course, with 3 others, we're sharing our workload. So that's been very amazing process. Molding operation actually started when we first came to this building, 2004. We weren't sure if we want to go through molding, but we decided to go to because the concept was turnkey operation. And that really played a big part of our development. So, coming from the environment, and we came from simple life, and we work very hard. So we understand concept of people coming and work and be hard workers. And the concept of their work knowledge and how they want to work and our work knowledge created a group of people that very close. We care about our employees. We provide anything they needed according to their needs. Many of them came to work for us 30 some years ago, and they're still here. They were kids coming from high school. Now they have kids on their own. And so we call them precision kids. And some of them already have grandkids. So it's pretty amazing. And only because that environment, if you talk to our employees, everybody's happy. People come to work with joy. And of course, like every operation, you go through technical dilemmas, but everybody sit down and work together. And that makes it so wonderful to work with this group of people because they completely understand what we like, and they will deliver it to us because they love the company.
Now that we learn more about the history of Precision Group, now we're on the shop and we're about to talk with the project managers or leaders, and they are going to share with us some of their experiences.
My name is Domingo Ausis. I started with Precision Group back in 1991. I was a college freshman, and I've been here with the company ever since. I was initially hired to answer phones, so I was the first male receptionist. And since then, my duties and roles evolved. The company asked me to do a couple of different things as I was going to school and learning different, business type of classes that I was taking. But it afforded me the opportunity to really learn all about the details of how a business is run. And my degree is in business administration with a focus on international business. So this was a perfect fit. Since then, I have become marketing director, sales director, and now my current position is vice president of operations for our San Antonio and Mexico locations. As vice president of operations for Precision Group, one of our key responsibilities here is to engage the customer, identify and focus on their requirements, but more importantly, it's solution driven. So our customers come to us with a particular requirement or issue. We're called problem solvers. A lot of times we're called firefighters because we're constantly putting out fires. But it's one of the key things for us as a company, and it's just not myself, but it's the entire team. We're team-based, we're team-focused. My primary function here is to facilitate those solutions to our customer, identify, evaluate, and then plan out how it is that we're going to be going about fixing their problems. Being made part of the Precision Group family has been a very rewarding process. One of the things that Naum and Maya, the owners here at Precision Group, have done is they've shown us a personal investment in the company and also the employees. And each one of us here has spent a lot of time, days and nights working, but we do it with a lot of love and a lot of passion. And that's one of the things that really has been taught to us is the work ethic, the importance it is not just to do a good job, but to bring value to the organization and to do it as a family. So for us, it's really more than a job. It's a calling. For me personally, I feel it as that, I'm a steward of my customers' goals and their projects. So personally, I take an investment in each project. So it's vitally important for me, not just the success of the company, but the success of every single customer.
Yo empecé con Precision Group hace aproximadamente 3 años y medio. Entré en este grupo primero aquí en Monterrey para buscar clientes y ver si estaba factible de abrir un taller, un sitio en Monterrey. Actualmente estoy el gerente del taller de Monterrey. Abrimos allá en Monterrey hace un año y estoy trabajando, buscando clientes, buscando ventas por el sitio de Monterrey. El principio de la planta, la apertura fue un poco difícil, pero el día de hoy ya tenemos mucho trabajo, muchos clientes tienen confianza en nosotros y estamos haciendo reparaciones, cambio de engineering y fabricación de algunas piezas por moldes. Precision Group para mí es una experiencia muy agradable para mí. Me gustó mucho trabajar con este grupo porque es Precision Group en los 4 sitios que tenemos es una familia, todos trabajan juntos. Si hay un problema por un proyecto, ya podemos contar sobre el apoyo de nuestros compañeros, que es aquí en San Antonio, que es en la Feria, el taller de Reynosa. No, lo que podemos decir que es el Precision Group con el taller que tenemos en Monterrey, que se llama Prune Match. El día de hoy es una herramienta de más para este grupo. ¿Por qué? Porque en tant que tener taller en Estados Unidos y taller en México es un avantaje por el grupo, que damos mucho apoyo a los clientes de México y es algo que está increíble.
Well, I'm with my friend Nubia today, and she's a little nervous to be on camera, so I decided to join her for this interview with Precision Group because we realize here in manufacturing how important it is to see more women in manufacturing and how incredible those stories can be. So we would do anything we can to get people like Nubia on camera, to even share just a small piece. So Nubia, thank you for being brave enough to hop on camera with me.
Hello.
That hello is a good start. So would you mind just kind of talking about your responsibilities, what your position is currently with Precision Group?
So my position right now is lead engineer. Some of my responsibilities are I'm pretty much everywhere. From the moment the customer steps foot in here, we do a consultation. So I'm right there with them, validating their design. If they need some little help and tweaks, then we're there to help them with myself and the other engineering team. And I'm the owner. He has a lot of experience on this. Then we go on to, I also do mold design, which is our main thing around here. I design the molds, we do part validation, we do mold flow. I also design for manufacturing. I program some of the machines to do some of the process.
It's incredible as the lead engineer to hear you share your story. And I got to do a walkthrough with you. And you program with NX, right? How do you like NX?
I love NX. I just love it. I really like it. It's very easy to use. It's easy for users. Once you learn it, it's just so simple to use. I can do stuff very, very easy and in 20 different ways.
And do you have a degree in some form of engineering, or are you just naturally brilliant?
No, I'm a mechanical engineer. And I come from a family of 5 other engineers, so we have some experience.
Well, Nubia, thank you again for being so brave to hop on camera. Your story is amazing. I hope it inspires other women out there to get into engineering as well. And we wish you all the best from MTD in your career moving forward.
Thank you so much.
Yo tengo 22 años en la compañía. Empecé a trabajar en este ramo desde cero. Fui avanzando a aprender. Y gracias a Dios he aprendido. Y creo que nunca terminamos de aprender este trabajo. En la posición que empecé en esta compañía fue de técnico y ahorita he llegado a estar encargado de todo el taller de supervisor. En la planta de Reynosa reparamos moldes, hacemos cambios de ingeniería, tratamos de comunicarme con el ingeniero para hacer todos los cambios también con él. Todo ese tipo de cambios que nos piden las plantas, se los hacemos. Ahorita tengo como unos 6 a cargo mío trabajando ahí conmigo en el área. El trato que es con la persona que tenemos, con todo el equipo, es muy bien. Trabajamos padre porque nos llevamos bien todos, gracias a Dios. La experiencia que tenemos ahorita aquí con esta compañía es de que todas las compañías estamos unidas, las de Monterrey, las de la Feria y San Antonio. Y creo que nos lleva muy bien todos en comunicación del trabajo y todo.
Well, back in 1989, my mother said, get your butt to the temp agency. You're going to like doing manufacturing. So off I went and became a temporary operator. As I'm working there, my supervisor knew I had an automotive background and let me start working on tools. Our company provided process technician classes to be able to tear tools apart, set them up, shoot the plastic parts, and he kept signing me up for it. Wouldn't let me in. I'm a girl. So he signed me up again. Wouldn't let me in. Still a girl. And still a girl. And in the 6th month of being signed up for these classes, they finally let me in, and I love every minute of it. I excelled at it, and I've been doing it for over 30 years now since I gave away the 1989 year. Well, fortunately, after all the years and the different companies I'd worked with, Naum and Roiberg at this company had heard about me. My reputation was ahead of me, and he called me in, and I happened to have just finished with one company where they'd closed the doors, and I thought I'd go ahead and give it a whirl. He asked me if I wanted to be his production manager, and I said sure. And now I'm responsible for everything you see behind me. It's grown tremendously over the last 20 years that I've been with the company, and it's always something new. It's always something fun. It keeps you interested, and that's why I'm still here.
Bueno, yo llegué a Precision Group hace 10 años en Reynosa. Comencé como todos con una entrevista y con una prueba. En ese entonces yo no tenía experiencia en moldes. Toda mi experiencia que tengo en moldes y que tengo ya en trabajos de precisión lo adquirí en Precision Group. Trabajo en Reynosa, pero ahorita estoy trabajando en Monterrey por la otra empresa que tenemos también en Precision Group, que se llama Prodmash. Mis funciones actuales son ahorita entrenamiento en lo que es en el taller de Monterrey, y aparte también pues dedicarme el 100% a los trabajos de los moldes, ¿verdad? Adquirir el conocimiento que se obtiene en Precision, pues tienes que tener cierto nivel de inteligencia, ¿verdad? Y aparte es muy difícil cuando vas empezando, pero ya una vez que tienes las bases ya bien cimentadas, como tratamos de nosotros enseñarle a los demás, así como me enseñaron a mí, pues ya todo lo demás se te va haciendo fácil y aparte divertido. Y obviamente si te gusta, pues nunca ya lo vas a ver como un trabajo, sino como pues una parte más de ti, ¿verdad? Bueno, pues tener esa cercanía con los dueños y tener esa cercanía con los demás talleres, pues te ayuda a resolver los problemas más rápido, ¿verdad? Y aparte no sentirte no solo, sino tan frustrado, y te ayuda a mejorar en cuestión de los trabajos, ¿verdad? Y por decir, es muy fácil hallar una respuesta o hallar una solución entre 4 que entre uno solo nada más. Una de mis experiencias fue de ir a Monterrey, al taller de Monterrey, y empezar con los entrenamientos con los trabajadores de allá, y también aparte de yo también aprender sobre eso, ¿verdad? Muchas de las cosas que yo a lo mejor como técnico no sabía, ahora con el manejo de personal y todo, y gracias a la señora Maya y al señor Naum, que también siempre que he tenido una duda o algo, siempre me han apoyado.
We already heard Precision Group's story. We heard the employee's testimonial. But now, let's see, what does the customers think?
I work for Royal Technologies. I'm in the engineering department. We do custom molding for many customers, Corning, Panasonic, Black & Decker, Many other customers up at our northern facilities, Gentex, a lot of furniture customers such as Steelcase and Hahn, who are a $350 million customer that builds approximately 400 tools a year. I've known Naum and his entire group for approximately 20 years now. He's built tools for me. He does repairs for me. They're very, I don't want to sound, is it ironic, but precision work. Their unique approach to repairs has benefited our company beyond belief. Their timely manner in getting things done is huge. But beyond the professional part, which we've had our bumps and bruises as anybody would when you're doing tool work, for me probably is the personal or family approach. Naum is more than just a business person to me. Maya as well. They're friends, and their entire group. I've known their entire group a very long time. You can't replace that.
My name is Jeremy Davis. I head up the engineering department for Footprint Medical here in San Antonio, Texas. I am one of the owners of Footprint as well. And we make neonatal devices, so PICC lines, feeding tubes, things of that nature, U.S. based, so we distribute throughout the United States. So we have actually known Naum and Maya for going back to the late 80s. The neonatal catheter-specific manufacturing actually began in San Antonio. And a third company to begin doing that in San Antonio is Footprint Medical. We've been a company now for 15 years. And Precision Mold and Tool Group is about the highest class outfit that you're going to find in this industry. They've been around for a very long time. They have an incredible amount of experience. And when we started the company, we actually could not afford them. We were not able to purchase that high a quality. However, as we have been blessed as a company, as sales grew, we grew into a place where we knocked on the door and said, hey, Naum, it's been a while, but here we are, and we're ready to give it another go. And so for the past 10 years at least, we have been with Precision Tool Group, and they truly are what their name says. They are precise. So they take it start to finish. We would feed a mold over to them on concept with a simple 2D drawing, and we get back literally a masterpiece that is ready to go into a machine and mold parts. There's very little to any downtime. When we make mistakes and bring the tool back, they repair it, and they truly are just a one-stop shop for everything start to finish. And so we have very much appreciated our relationship over the years, and they are a part of our continued success.
Hi, I'm Jeff Cooper. I work for an industry-leading irrigation company that's worldwide. I am a sustaining tooling engineer for this company. I'm responsible for sustaining approximately 500 active plastic injection molds and keeping them in production, keeping them ready to run production at any given time. I have been working with Precision Group for going on 2 years now, and as you've heard from other people, I've migrated to using Precision Group because of their precision way of going about business, building tools, their engineering support, their skill level in the shop. My job takes me all over the world, and I don't have a lot of time to concentrate on the things that are very important on my job, like engineering and making sure the tools are built and repaired correctly. At Precision Group, I can give them a project. I know the engineering will be spot on. I know I'll get phone calls. I know the communication will be great all the time. And again, I've only been working with them for going on 2 years, and I feel like I'm part of the Precision family. Everybody in the company I know just about at this point, and they all make me feel welcome when I'm here. If I have a question, everybody has an answer for me.
Well, there you have it. Precision Group based here in San Antonio, Texas. The story of the start. The production leaders and managers from all over the country of Mexico and the U.S. and some really powerful customer testimonials. I hope you've enjoyed this as much as I have. Thank you, and tune in for more great content from MTDCNC.